welcome back to my channel. Back with our next video again, back in the kitchen again. Guys, I'm here making Jamaican steam cabbage. Guys, this is a healthier way to make your Jamaican steam cabbage. Guys, here I have my cabbage. I wash it off already with some salt water, warm water. Okay guys, what I'm gonna do is to just cut up my cabbage, and this is all my ingredients here. I soon introduce my ingredients to you guys. What I'm gonna do now is to put my cabbage in my bowl here. What I have here is some parsley, right? I love to use parsley and it's a healthier way. So I'm gonna use my parsley. I love using this herb. Natural ingredients, okay? So I'm just gonna pour it over my cabbage. So what next? I'm gonna shred my carrot. So this is all of my ingredients, right? This I have carrot, 1 carrot. I'm gonna shred it. I have a piece of pumpkin here. I have some purple onion, some scallion, and some tomato, and green pepper, and a piece of thyme, right? And this is a little herb right here. And I have some pepper grain here, and I have some Lorry seasoning, and this is all I'm gonna use with a little bit of olive oil. Okay guys, so I'm gonna shred my pumpkin. So this is gonna have a base color. See, you can see the orange, you can see the yellow, and you can see the green is the cabbage, and the parsley. So I'm just going to add all of my seasoning, all of it in my cabbage. So I'm going to put on my pot on the stove and get my oil hot, and then I'll show you what next, okay? Look at this, you see how beautiful this is? Okay guys, so next I'm going to add my basil, some pepper grain, and my Lorry seasoning. And you're not going to put no salt in there because the Lorry seasoning is already have a lot of salt, and trust me, you don't want to put no salt in it. Okay, you don't want your food for salt. Just your steamed cabbage for salt, okay? Yes guys, this is my pot is on, so I'm just going to pour some olive oil, yes, in my pot, just a little bit. Remember, this is a healthier way. You just need a little bit. You just touch up the little pot, the pot bottom. That's yeah, burn or anything like that. So this is the amount of oil in my pot. I don't want no more than this, because this is a healthier way of your Jamaican steam cabbage. I have a video up already, so guys, you can go ahead and look how I prepare that Jamaican steam cabbage, vegan style, vegan recipe. Yes guys, so I'm gonna put in my cabbage. You see how enough it is? It looks enough for me. I'm not gonna put any water in there, okay guys? I'm gonna turn it down. I don't want it to burn before it's steam, okay? I'm just gonna make this steam for 5 minutes. I will show you how it looks after 3 minutes, okay? And this is how my cabbage look after 2 minutes. So I'm going to cover it again and just let it steam for only 3 more minutes. Okay guys? Because you don't want to steam it out and steam out all the nutrients out there. So you just want to steam it for a little while. That's when you eat it, you can't have a little crud it out all the way out. No, you just want to half cook it. Okay? Like this. No water. Just like maybe half tablespoon, half teaspoon of olive oil in the pot, and that's it. See how colorful this is? Yes, my Jamaican steam cabbage, a healthier way. Yes guys, this is how it looks so far. Just steam for 5 minutes. I'm going to lock off the stove now and show you the presentation. Okay guys? Guys, this is the finished look of my Jamaican steamed cabbage, healthier way. Guys, please subscribe, share, and comment if you like this video, if you like this recipe, and you just try it and tell me all about this, guys. Big up on yourself, and thank you for watching. Big up on yourself, guys. Happy Sunday. Bless you.